All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sweat Equity. So got a little something different here. I just got a moped. It's actually for a friend of mine. My wife went and picked it up for him today because he doesn't have a truck, and it is currently in the back of my Tundra right now, laying down on its side, looking real sorry for itself. So we're gonna go out and just take a look at it. I don't really know anything about it at all. Yeah, I mean, I really literally don't know anything about it other than that it's I think 50 cc's or less than 50, or it was $50. That's where I'm getting the 50 from. Yeah. So anyway, um, all right, let's we'll go on out here and take a look in the truck. It's dark out, so I don't know how much we're gonna see outside, but we'll just see this together. All right, so walk out here. This is some exciting stuff right here. And there we go. We got ourselves a shiny red two-wheeled object. Let's see here if I can manage to not kill myself for whatever reason. She backed the truck all the way up into like branches I had from firewood, but whatever. This is my little ramp that I made a few years ago for another bike that I drug home from somewhere. So, what we got here? We got something with a flat tire. It's an automatic. It is a track. It has tape over the headlight. You can see that. Brilliant. Drum brake on the front, I think. I'm assuming that's some sort of a brake. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. I see the cable right there going down to it. Drum brake on the back as well. What do we got here? Well, that used to say something, but it's wore off from, I guess, from pedal hitting it. Daelim is all I can read. Maybe it says it on the other side too. There's a kickstand that seems to function. I guess maybe that's where some sort of a battery would go. I guess yeah, that would be a coil going down to a spark plug. That looks good. Try the best thing on the whole damn thing. Let's see here. See if this kickstand will go down. Oh, it's a center stand kind of deal. Yeah. Okay. All right. Center stand works. Track toolbox. Looks like some kind of either a coolant tank. I have to imagine it's not gas. Made in Korea. Hey Brandon, I think you did say something about it being like the Hyundai of mopeds or some shit like that. Remember, preserve nature. Always wear a helmet. Think safety. Read owner's manual. Well, doesn't smell too terrible there. Doesn't look too bad in there, so that's a plus. That would be the gas tank, just in case we're wondering. We've got hear that doing something. I guess that would be the rear. Yeah, that actually feels pretty good. Yeah, that's working that front one there. I guess this one isn't really actually gripping anything, but it does work. The linkage works. Let's see. That turns. Feels like it's got compression and it turns, so that's a plus. You got a little carburetor. You got a bolt stuck in a fuel line. What kind of tire is that? Swallow. Swallow? What the hell? Load range B. Fenders. Yeah, oh yeah. It's got some nice engineering. See that there? It's got, looks like staples holding the front fender on. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it looks like it's all there. You know. How hard do you think it would be to make this thing make some noise? Important information. Front tire 2.25 by 17. Oh, 28. Okay, 25 psi front, 28 rear. They do not have that in them now. It's got a taillight. Got a place to put a license plate. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Not a whole lot to say about it, I guess, but can we make it make some noise? It's just funny that it says it's an automatic. I mean, I guess, yeah, it doesn't have a clutch, but it is, or it just probably has a centrifugal clutch, I guess. I would think something like that. Who knows? I literally know nothing about, other than watching some Musty One videos on these kind of things. I don't know anything about this at all. It's got a horn right there. Where's the button for that? Oh, right there. Okay. All right, so I guess we'll get this off the truck in the garage and see what we can see.